This are the weirdest case never see in a Jamaica or in any police force anywhere in the world, not even in a Somalia. Shit like this happen, and it never talk about. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe with the notification button. Yo, this thing has been bugging me for a while. I do a video upon it already. You understand? And I don't know. I browse the internet and I see young Jamaican police. I talk about it, but it kinda bother me, so me have a talk about it. When you can check out young Jamaican police YouTube channel, you understand? But him is a little bit more proper than me. And him is an ex-police. And I don't know what to say about the police them, yo. But we are gonna get into this, I'll be able to talk about it. Let's go. We know Fowl was killed in February 2019. There's a whole heap of speculation about Fowl say a BT this from over gully. If you don't know over gully there, it's the right over section 2 of Walton Park Road. Or you can take it from Ugly Park Road too. Right by the bank, you have the Scotia Bank. Or you can take it from York Avenue upon the Waltham. Now, Fowl, him originate from off of the Waltham Wavell Avenue. And him and one British. Everybody know about them. The US, Canada, every England, the UK police, the documentary on Fowl. He was a real US millionaire. And also one of the British, them get caught up, come back a yard, them a live lavishly. Fowl, him, I feel like him, how can I put it? Him have the British link up thing, and I feel like certain things them should have let go and make the younger youth them deal with it, but it's like them want all the money. And you know, if you have man and man round you and them not eat no food, cause enough things them youth that do enough man them send go England with coke and all them thing there. Me know that for a fact. You understand? And enough things happen, people are dead. Who go to England with coke in them belly. Cause I know a youth were dead, we work with him. So, you know, them have enough baggage or whatever. One in British, same thing. Now, Uncle Dima, him mix up in all sort of things, Sparta crew, him and the man them a fight, bottom Sparta, top Sparta. The six, everybody mix up, them turn the whole mobile upside it down. Film daughter get shot, Uncle D-Man, all sort of shit go down. Now, him is a genius, Tommy Lee, because him knows him hot like fire to blood clean, and him in a car with gun. And police are watching and somebody give him away. Let me tell you something. You see, law enforcement work on information. Even as bad as Jamaica is, I you see them a catch them man there and all the information people are get. The police there. And so them a get catch. The police can't pull a rabbit out of a hat. Every crime organization work with information from the public. Okay. Genius Tommy Lee get catch with the gun. The gun when get catch with, it kill Rifle and it kill Oney British. So my question is, how come he's not charged with the murder, and where is the murder investigation? I mean, we don't hear anything. It's the same thing over and over and over and over. Rifle dead, Waldy dead, Bully dead, this a man dead, that the man dead, man in a this a dead, that man dead, this man dead. And still there is no solving of the case. But what is unique about this case, it's the fact that Tommy Lee get catch with the gun, they kill the man them, and him get 3 years feet, and him still in a jail. Him about to come out soon, and we don't hear anything about it. Did they run some money and make the police them turn a blind eye upon the case? What's going on? Yo, me I call up the DDP, I wish you want to name that ugly lady there, Paula Llewellyn. We don't know how she get that job there. And her job is written into the Constitution. So I don't even know how them are going to fire her, if they need to fire her. But they need to speak up on the Tommy Lee case and make we know where I go on with the gun thing. We have the two body Rifle and Oney British, because like I say, I peer mix up with this, that, Ray, a bitty do it from over gully, this, that, all sort of thing. But the man get catch with the gun. If me did there in America, Canada, anywhere, England, Japan, Russia, Ukraine, and get catch with the gun, you have two body upon it, you best believe, say, me I go get charged for it, or the police them I will investigate. Them want to know where me get that gun there from. And that's the problem with Jamaican police. Yo, me not gonna talk too much on this, I eat this feet, but me just want to know what happened to Tommy Lee case with the gun, we have the two body, Rifle and Oney British pan it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And I have another video coming up. I'm doing a seek preview it. Watch this.
I mean, you're not gonna ask no question if it's, you're not gonna assume say one of your picnic them a come through. Remember, I know the place dark, me assume can not turn on the light to bring attention. So it will pop up.
Some more of the people in reaction. In my view, this is courtesy of my view. You know my view, you check out my view. You understand? Now, like I said, that woman there, she sound like a band star. But I don't know where she live. She must live in Iraq or Syria.
Access for getting at that house there. See? So I don't understand how you shoot through the door and kill your own picnic. See? Because there is no way that little boy will come at 3 o'clock in the morning, don't call you, don't link you, don't make your race him and come there, and him not come there with some type of key for getting at the house.
You understand? All of the book in our house where we live, and near conflicting statement about window, and then now near about door, the grill door, but all of the book in our house where we live. This video dropping on Sunday. I'm gonna release that video, yeah. So stay tuned on the channel. Peace from Countryman.